Oh hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and today I'll show you how I went from this to this. I'm gonna create simple nude festive makeup look by using Kiro products. I'm collaborating with them for this video. Kiro's philosophy is to bring makeup and skincare together and then try to create makeup products that have very good pigmentation and texture while being good for our skin. They are a cruelty free brand. And yeah, I'm so excited to create this look. And I truly hope you enjoy the video. So I have already done my base makeup with primer, foundation and concealer. Now I'm gonna do my eye look. For my eyes, I'm gonna use Kiro Long Wear Brightening Eyeshadow Sticks. First, I'm gonna use this shade Fiery Bronze for all over my lids. See how pigmented it is? It has very fine glitter particles which are not chunky at all. This formulation has mango seed oil and it is so easy to work with. It doesn't feel cakey or it doesn't crease. You don't necessarily need a brush for these eyeshadow sticks, but if you want to use a brush, you have to be quick because the formulation dries real fast on the skin. Now I'm gonna use another shade which is peachy gold. This is a very beautiful shimmery peachy color and I'm gonna use this shade for inner corners of my eyes and also as a low lash liner. This technique is gonna make my eyes look bigger. Now I'm using Kiro waterproof soft matte eyeliner pen. This eyeliner is very long lasting. It is smudge proof and it is also waterproof. It is very easy to use this eyeliner and I really love how it doesn't have any shine and it has this very good comfortable matte formula. For this look I'm gonna be drawing simple eyeliner. Now I'm gonna use Kiro Soothing Eyeliner Pencil. It has vitamin E and argan oil in it and I love the shade. It has this very beautiful brown color. Kiro makeup products are very much beginner friendly and for a makeup noob like me, it is truly great. And their formulation and pigmentation are truly top notch. Now I'm gonna put on some mascara. Now I'm gonna use Kiro Glow On Blush Duo. Just look at the shades, these are so beautiful and Kiro's makeup shades are mostly universal, so these are gonna suit or complement all skin tones. So you can use this blush to create any kind of look you want. If you want to keep your look subtle, you can apply less amount. And if you want a little bit dramatic look, then you can apply a little more. The color payoff is great. For the lipstick, we have two options. One is this one, Nutmeg Nude. This is one of the most beautiful nude shades I ever seen. This is really pretty. And this one is Sandy Rose. It has this very beautiful pink color. For this look, I'll be using Nutmeg Nude, which is my most favorite shade out of these three. This formula doesn't dry out my lips at all and it has great staying power and it is transfer proof. And I love how, lipsticks, they change the entire look just like that. See? Lipsticks are my favorite part, when it comes to makeup. Now highlighter. For that I'm gonna use Kiro Prism Perfect Highlighter, the shade 01. It has this very beautiful golden color but muted one. It is not too flashy. There is something truly elegant about these two shades and they show up on the skin very beautifully. Okay, now I have decided to put on some more blush because this is festive makeup and I want a little more color on my cheeks. So yeah, I'm done and I had so much fun doing this makeup, and it just made me so happy, getting ready, putting all these beautiful makeup products on my skin, and I think it turned out to be good. So yeah, I hope you had fun watching this, and happy festivities. See you very soon. Bye bye.